Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Thank you for tuning in on Moseholm Yoga. I'm right now in Sicily, on Etna, the volcano. She's actually right in front of me, the crater of the volcano, but it's just very cloudy today, so we can't see her. But behind me is the Ionic Sea, and lots of trees and bushes and grass and small lava rocks. Beautiful. So very exotic, and these surroundings, I will invite you to come with me in May 2022 on a magical yoga retreat. So for you, just a small taste of the sounds, some of the surroundings here, for what you can expect if you come with us to Sicily in May. To begin with, just find a comfortable seated position. However you sit nice and tall. You can let your hands rest to your thighs for a moment and close your eyes. Close your eyes and just take a moment to be just simply aware of your surroundings. The different sounds, maybe a breeze, maybe a smell, any sensation at all. And from here, guide your focus a bit deeper inwards. Guide your focus to your breath. Take a deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out your mouth. Deep breath in to fill you up. And long, slow breath out, softening, releasing any tension you might hold in your body. All together we take another deep breath in. Let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together. Close your eyes and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take another deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out your mouth. One more time together, deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. Just simply notice your heart pumping. And then you can let your hands rest to your thighs. And gently open your eyes. And then from here you come to all four on your hands and your knees. And then just start moving however it feels good to move here. You can arch your back, you can round it, move your body weight a bit to one side or the opposite. Just simply round and round. However it feels good. And then you can walk your knees a bit further backwards, so you can lower your hips down. Move a bit here, just gently opening up your back. Any sore lower back, you can always bend your elbows, coming down a bit more. It's just amazing with all the smells here, all the sounds of nature. The wet grass, the lava stones, amazing. When you're ready, you lift up your hips, tuck your toes, and make your way up to a downward facing dog. Just take your time to settle here in your down dog. Maybe adjust the position of your hands and your feet. Make sure you have a bit of distance between your feet so you have the ability to move, so you don't feel stuck here or in any other pose. Just simply taking your time, settling here. Maybe shifting the body weight a bit from one side to the other. Maybe even go so far you lift one arm in the air, maybe one leg, and then the opposite way. Just make your way into your down dog, nice and easy. And if any tight hamstrings, calf muscles, Achilles tendon, just take your time. Maybe a bit of a walk on the spot feels good. Don't worry about if your heels doesn't touch your ground at first, or maybe today. You get all the benefits from the process of moving towards and in the stretch. On an inhale, you lift up nice and high to your tippy toes, lift your hips up high. And exhale, softening your heels back down towards the ground. 2 more times on an inhale, lift up nice and high. And exhale, easy down. 1 more time on an inhale, lift up nice and high to your tippy toes. And exhale, softening your heels to the ground. And then take a stroll to the top of your yoga mats. Simply 1 step at a time. And as you reach the top, just bend your knees, let your torso fold over your legs. On an inhale, you roll up to stand 1 vertebra at a time. Opening your arms out to the sides, reach to the sky. And as you exhale, again, bend your knees and fold over your legs. 2 more times on an inhale, you roll up to stand. Opening out and reach up tall. And exhale, bend your knees, just fold over your legs. 1 more time on an inhale, you roll up to stand. Opening out, reach up high. And exhale again, just bend your knees, fold over your legs. Place your hands to the ground and make your way back to your down dog. Taking a few deep breaths. And then you walk your hands back to your feet 1 step at a time. And as you reach your toes, just bend your knees, let your torso fold over your legs. On an inhale, you roll up to stand 1 vertebra at a time. Opening your arms out to the side, reach to the sky. At the top, grab your right wrist and just stretch your body nice and long. Scoop your hips to the right, stretch your arms to the left. Moving your body however it feels good here. Again, back for the center, grab the opposite wrist, stretch your body nice and long. Scoop your hips to the left and your arms to the right. Just breathe in deep. Again, back to the center, stretch up tall, maybe small back bend. And exhale, bend your knees, just fold over your legs. And then you gently walk your hands again forward to the top of the yoga mat. And back to your down dog, taking a few deep breaths. Lean your body weight to the left side on an inhale. Lift up your right leg to the sky nice and high. And as you exhale, step your right foot between your hands. Press your feet against the ground. Inhale takes you up tall. And exhale, soften halfway down. 1 more time on an inhale, fill up. And exhale, easy down. 1 more time, inhale takes you up nice and high. And exhale all the way back down. Hands to the ground and step back to your down dog. Again, you lean your body weight now to the right side on an inhale. Lift up your left leg to the sky nice and high. And exhale, step your left foot between your hands. Press your feet against the ground. Inhale takes you up tall, arms in the air. And exhale, soften halfway down. 2 more times, inhale, fill up. And exhale, easy down. 1 more time, inhale takes you up high. And exhale all the way back down, bring your hands to the ground. And step back to your down dog. So it was a bus going in the mountain curvy roads, making sure that if any other car would come, they would hear him or her. Because as far as I can see, it's green everywhere. But then tiny little road with a bus, a big bus. From here again you roll forward now into a plank pose. Lower your knees, lower your hips down. For your up dog, just simply move in how it feels good to move. Stretching your arms, lift up your chest. And then lift your hips, bring your hips to your heels into a child's pose. Taking a few deep breaths. On an inhale, you roll up to sit on your heels. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take a deep breath in, let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. And as you exhale, make a twist to your right side. Left hand to your thigh, right fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist. On an inhale, again back from the center, lift your arms in the air. And exhale, twist to the left side. Take a deep breath in. And a long, slow breath out as you twist your spine. Inhale again back from the center, lift your arms up in the air. And as you exhale, let your arms come down the sides of your body. Place your hands behind your hips to the ground. Press your palms down as you lift your chest towards the sky to open up. And if it feels good, you can lift your hips up too. And again, gently lower your hips back down to the ground. For a moment, just letting your hands rest to your thighs. You can close your eyes and guide your focus back to your heartbeat. Deep breath in and long, slow breath out. And again, gently open your eyes. And from here, you can place your hands to one side and make your way to the most comfortable seated position for you. However you sit comfortable, cross-leg, or however is good for you. And all together, we take a deep breath in. Let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Take another deep breath in. And a long, slow breath out. Deep breath in by your nose. Long, slow breath out your mouth. And as you feel your heart pumping, thank yourself for taking your time for your yoga practice today. Even a few minutes on the yoga mat is always good. So thank you for sharing your time and your energy. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. Namaste. I hope you feel good. I hope you feel the ambient just a little bit. The sounds of all the birds, all the green, the sea, a bit of the sun. In the end of May, we'll have lots of sun and warm weather. So stay tuned. If you have any questions about the retreat, please do not hesitate to contact me. You'll find all the info on my website, moseholmyoga.com, and there's also a link in my IG profile. Any questions, let me know, and I'm looking forward. Thank you for watching Moseholm Yoga. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also on our website, moseholmyoga.com, you can subscribe to our newsletter.